How to verify your Cash App account. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up Cash App on your screen. And once you open it up, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile at the top right corner. Tap on it. And then after tapping on it, this opens up. Now from here, you need to head over to accounts and settings. And there you should be finding an option called security and privacy. You may go ahead and tap on that option. After tapping on security privacy, you will be given some options on your screen. You may scroll down from there. And then there, you should be finding an option called identity verification. All you gotta do is simply tap on this verify option. And then you need to go on with the verification process. You need to enter up your details in as same as in your government ID, and also provide a picture of your government ID and yourself, and your account should be verified. So that is how you verify your account on Cash App. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.